What if your car could feel like a 2026 upgrade without buying a new one? Some of these gadgets fix problems you didn't even realize you had. And one of them might actually save you from a costly accident. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, your go-to spot for the coolest Amazon finds and smart everyday tech. Today, we're diving into car gadgets that instantly upgrade your driving experience. Let's get into it. Ever wished your rearview mirror could actually see more than your eyes? This mirror cam turns every drive into full surveillance. You get 4K front and 2.5K rear footage, even at night. It streams live video right on the mirror. And with voice control, you stay focused while it records everything. Ever had a tire go flat without warning? That's how accidents start. This real-time TPMS sits on your dashboard and tracks pressure every second. The moment something's off, it alerts you instantly. And with solar charging, it just keeps running, no cables, no excuses. Ever had passengers fighting over charging cables in the backseat? It gets messy fast. This retractable charger fixes that instantly. It comes with built-in iPhone and Type-C cables. Just pull and charge. And with 65W fast charging, even laptops power up quick, no tangled wires, no stress. Alright, quick question, which one would you actually use every single day? The smart safety cam, tire monitor, or that clean backseat charger? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you're into smart upgrades like these, hit subscribe, because the next ones get even crazier. Still plugging your phone in every time you drive? That gets old fast. This tiny adapter turns your wired CarPlay into full wireless instantly. Just start your car and it auto-connects. No cables, no delay. And the crazy part? It runs so smooth, you'll forget it was ever wired. Ever looked down at your speed for 1 second and missed something ahead? That's risky. This HUD projects your speed promo onto the windshield. No distractions. It auto-adjusts brightness day and night. And if you push past the limit, it warns you before trouble finds you. Ever been stuck with a dead battery or a flat tire in the middle of nowhere? That's a nightmare. This 4000A jump starter brings your car back to life in seconds. And it also packs a 150 PSI air compressor. The wild part? It auto-stops at the perfect pressure, no guesswork. Now this is getting interesting. Which one would save you in a real emergency? The jump starter, the HUD, or that wireless CarPlay upgrade? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. And if you love smart car hacks like these, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started. Ever stepped into a car and instantly felt the vibe? Most interiors feel dull at night. These LED ambient lights change that fast. You control colors, brightness, even music sync from your phone. And here's the fun part. Every beat turns your car into a moving light show. Worried your car could disappear overnight? That fear is real. This full-cover steering wheel lock shuts thieves down instantly. The moment they try to break it, it just spins. No grip, no control. And the crazy part? It's built with ultra-tough material police actually recommend. Ever looked at your car floor and thought, how did it get this dirty? Crumbs, dust, pet hair everywhere. This compact vacuum fixes it fast. It packs strong suction and a long hose to reach tight spots. And with one touch emptying, cleanup takes seconds, not minutes. Okay, now it's getting tough. Are you picking cleaner interiors, better security, or that insane light vibe? Which one would you actually install first? Tell me below. And if you're building your dream car setup, hit subscribe, because the next gadgets might change everything. Ever wish your car could warn you before something breaks? Most drivers find out too late. This OBD2 display plugs in and shows live data instantly. Speed, RPM, temps, voltage. And if anything goes wrong, it alerts you early. Plus, those glowing RPM lights make your dash look straight futuristic. Ever changed lanes and felt that split-second panic? That blind spot is dangerous. This wide-angle mirror fixes it instantly. The curved HD glass shows more lanes, more cars, more awareness. And at night, the blue anti-glare cuts harsh headlights so your eyes stay relaxed. Ever tried to get attention on the road and nobody noticed? That's frustrating. This programmable LED sign fixes that fast. You can display text, emojis, even animations right from your phone. And because it's ultra bright and flexible, people see your message before they even realize it. Ever touched your steering wheel and it just felt worn out? Slippery, faded, boring. This carbon fiber clip-on cover upgrades it in seconds. Just snap it on, no tools. It grips tight, resists heat and sweat, and instantly makes your interior feel premium. Still stuck with a tiny outdated car screen? That kills the whole driving experience. This portable CarPlay display upgrades everything instantly. Just mount it and go, no wiring needed. You get a bright 10-inch screen, wireless CarPlay, plus a built-in 4K dash cam. It's basically a full tech upgrade in minutes. Ever feel like your car just disappears at night? Stock headlights look boring. These flexible LED strips change that instantly. They add a bright white DRL during the day, then switch to flowing amber signals when you turn. And here's the cool part. You can bend and shape them to fit almost any headlight. And there you have it. Some of the smartest car gadgets you can grab right now. From safety upgrades to comfort and pure style, these tools can completely change how your car feels every single day. Now I'm curious, which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want more insane gadgets like these, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.